Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be walking you through how to claim your rewards on AERODROME. I'm sitting on another, I don't know, almost $3,000 of rewards. Now, I don't want to make this about Aero because I know there's some people who are like, Aero sucks, infinite supply, it's a scam. And some people, they see what I see. It's not about Aero. It's about the strategy. We're also doing a series on YouTube, if you haven't checked out the video, of like working our way up to $10,000 a month in DeFi income. Every week I'll be sharing updates and from a brand new portfolio, building it up to $10,000 a month. It's not about the positions. It's not about the platforms. It's about the strategy. If you copy click by click everything I'm doing, at some point you're going to get hurt. You're going to get wrecked, not because it's not the right strategy. It's just not the right one for you. And if you don't understand what you're doing, you'll find yourself in a bit of a situation where you get into something not knowing why you did. And then I don't update every single second on YouTube. And so it might be a week before a video actually releases and you're wondering what happened. So please don't copy anything. Understand the strategy. I'm going to claim, again, almost $3,000 worth of Aero. And as I'm doing that, I love Base as well for their very inexpensive gas fees. I'm going to claim that. So in a second, I should have both. And then what I do is I lend it out on XtraFi. You don't have to do this. In fact, I recommend you don't until you understand what you're doing. But look, I've stacked $9,165 worth of Aero, and I'm about to lend out another $3,000. So I should have almost 9, 10, 11, almost $12,000 once this is claimed. Don't know why this didn't claim. Let me try it again. Confirm. Once I claim this, then I'll be right back and we'll jump on XtraFi. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Perfect. Then we'll go to XtraFi. I'm making 80% on almost 10K now. I'm going to deposit another 2,699 Aero tokens, which is worth pretty much the same in dollars because we're floating around $1 there. I'm going to go approve. I'm going to go max. I'm going to go next. I'm going to go approve. Once that approves, I'm going to go deposit. And now I'll be making 80% on what should be pretty dang near close $12,000 deposit. This is called yield on yield. You'll hear me talk about this a lot. Again, this isn't about AERODROME and XtraFi. This is about the overall strategy. And if I bring up the calculator, there we go. So we'll just call it 12,000 to make it easy. $12,000 times 0.81 equals $9,720. So almost, it'll be around $800 a month, $810 a month. And this position continues to grow. And I think AERODROME is, we're looking at, I'm laddering out at $2, $4, $8. So I should see appreciation. Now I'm going to answer the question, why don't I just compound it into the liquidity pool? Because I like to get the best of both worlds. I like to get appreciation on an asset and I like to earn yield from my liquidity pools. And I want to get the best of both so I don't miss a big run up. And so to me, I'm like, how do I create whatever I want to hold for free, which is what I'm doing over here. I'm creating more of this for free. I got another 2 pennies here and another 3 pennies here already since we claimed it. That keeps growing every single day. Then I can take it and I don't want to just hold it in my wallet. I want to create yield on it. I'm doing the same thing with Sui. I'm lending it out. Anywhere that I can stake, anywhere that I can get rewards for something I'm holding anyways, I will. And that wraps up this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How are you applying this for yourself? Doesn't have to be on AERODROME. It doesn't have to be on XtraFi. That's not the point. But how are you applying this for yourself? How can you apply this for yourself? Because balances grow really quickly when you focus on how do I generate a yield, and then how do I get yield, and then how do I get yield on that yield? On and on and on it goes. Actually, if you'd like me to do a video on a looping strategy for borrowing, lending, borrowing, lending, borrowing, lending, where you can really squeeze out some juicy returns, do let me know in the comments as well. And if you haven't yet checked out our journey to 10K, the first video dropped a couple days ago. Do check it out. I'll make sure I leave it up on the screen, which after you like this video and you subscribe to this channel, I'm going to pop 4 videos on your screen, and one of them will be that 10K journey. Do check it out, study it, and apply it. This is worth learning. This is a skill that's going to that's going to continue to, we're sowing seeds and we're planting trees, and those trees are going to continue giving you shade and fruit if we master this skill. So check out some other videos. With that said, I'm going to get out of here. Appreciate you. Peace.